Hey, I'm Tony King. Welcome to Zerion Tips. Today I'm going to show you a couple of things about solar Eclipse with inventory inquiry and product location maintenance. Okay, so you can go in here to inventory inquiry. You can go to that on your home screen with a widget, or you can go under the main menu. You can go to orders and then inquiries and pull up inventory inquiry. Just type in the item that you want to review. You can see here that in my screen I have ship branch and then I have multiple other branches listed. That's just for an ease of searching. Then when you look at the actual inventory inquiry, you can see that I have an available column there. That is what is available. That's on hand minus any commitments. That's going to show for each branch. And up in the upper left hand corner you can see I have an inquiry option that I can go to the history ledger and also the future ledger. Please keep in mind that when I go to those options, that is for each branch or wherever your cursor is at that moment. You can also go to product location maintenance. That allows you to see the individual allocations per location at each branch. You can do that in inventory inquiry. And you can also do all of this within a sales order. So I'm going to go into quick sales order entry and I'm going to pull up one that I've already created. I'm going to right click on it. I'm going to go to inquiries. And I'm going to go to inventory inquiry. Notice how it's the same screen. It's not anything different. It's just taking me a shortcut to that. I go down to a different product and I'm going to get a different inventory inquiry screen. Or I could go to product and I can go straight to product location maintenance. So as much as I could have gone straight to those functions from either a widget on the home screen or I could do it from a menu, I could also do it within a sales order. One other quick note too is you can copy and paste within Eclipse, and all you do is just select the option. You can either right click on the selected criteria and select copy, or you can hit Control C for copy and then Control V for paste. If you want to take a screenshot, there's two different ways you can do that. One is you can use Microsoft's snipping tool. That's super easy. A lot of other screen capture programs out there that you can use. You can do that, just go into, after you select copy, just go into Word or somewhere else and you can hit Control V for paste, or you can right click and select paste. And then if you wanted to print screen something, you can, on your keyboard, you can hold down the alternate key and then hit the print screen key on your keyboard. That's typically up by insert, home, delete, page up, page down. We call that the 6-pack. You can use the print screen button, Alt print screen, and then just go in and hit Control V. That'll basically take a screenshot of that entire window that you have open. So make sure that you have the right one open too. And then if you ever feel like you need help, not that you do all the time, but sometimes we feel like we do and we don't have anybody that we can call, under each of the solar programs there is a help function. You can hit that option whenever you need to and find more information about that program. Thanks for watching today and checking out some basic tips. I hope you find some value out of product location maintenance, inventory inquiry, doing some print screens. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to reach out. I'll be glad to help you.